So the monsoons have arrived in Goa and I'm finally coming out of my nook in Majorda where I've been holed up for quite some time now, and I'm up for something adventurous and exciting. In this case I'm talking about kayaking because it's not something that I've done before, and also the weather is quite uncertain, so we don't really know what's in store for the day. Looks like a sunny day after a long time. Look at how much the rain has yielded. This whole place was not like this at all when we had first come here. I don't think we'll have the time to have a full breakfast, so this is how we normally start our day, and today is no different. So I am going kayaking for my birthday. You might be wondering what's so special about kayaking on a birthday. Well, it is for me because for the longest time I have put off kayaking for certain anxieties of my own relating to water, because although I'm like quite comfy in the pool or in the sea, the whole idea of kayaking and being out there on your own has been quite not very comforting to me. So I'm putting aside all of that for the day and going out kayaking, and yeah, we are setting out in some time. See, I was a little worried that if it rains, then it might create some trouble while kayaking. But now if it's sunny, we don't have a hat on us. We don't have any sunscreen on us. Now even this is going to be an issue. So always, like when it's sunny, make sure you carry those things, hat and a sunscreen, or else you might just have a very difficult time paddling. So we have reached the place where we were called, and now we are waiting for the operators who are going to take us all the way to where the kayaking begins from. I'm feeling quite relieved that the sun is up a bit. It's not raining as badly as the other days, because kayaking during rains, I'm not sure if that's the safest thing to do. But anyway, I could do with some drizzle, I guess. But then there's this huge patch of cloud around it, but some ray of hope. We have let go of our bags now, and I'm feeling very relieved without the weight of all those huge backpacks. So now we have another walk through this unpaved road, maybe another 5 to 10 minutes, and then we should be at the spot. It might be sunny, but all of this caused by the rain. Well, we're still having to pay for it, and it's raining. Oh shit, it's raining quite heavy. This habit is I was recording. Don't take your recording too seriously. Going down there to get this cleaned. This is one of the canoes which has been taken down from there, and then we'll continue walking on here.
बल का ध्यान रखना मैडम, गिरेगा.
The weather looks like it's on our side for real now. Then there was quite a heavy shower about an hour ago, but now it's mostly clear, and we'll be on here for another hour, I think. Okay, it looks like I'm about to hit that mangrove. We've come quite far now. I think we have traversed, I can't really say for sure, about like 2 kilometers or something. I'm pedaling my way back. Although it's not a very sunny day, but it's nevertheless quite humid and all that. Keeps getting narrower from there. Are we going there, Ron?